Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to solve a very big problem of people. In today's video I'm going to tell you 3 things that will give a new direction to your life. Now you don't have to do these things every day, you have to do these things just once in a year, and if you have a lot of money and time then you can do these things more than once, but at least once a year is compulsory. And I am making this video because during the last 6 to 7 months I've talked to many people, and there are those people who are earning huge amount of money but still they are not happy, they are not able to enjoy their life, and they are very frustrated and directionless. So if you don't want to fall into this category, then please follow my advice and please make these 3 things a top priority of your life. So in today's video I'm going to tell you the 3 things that I do every year. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support me a little bit more so that I can help more people like you, then my UPI ID, my Google Pay number and my Paytm number is in the description below. Go and contribute as much or as little as you can. And one more thing, that if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any topic, then please tell me that in the comment section below. I will soon post a video on it. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do at least once a year is attend a 10 days Vipassana course. Yes, you have to attend a 10 days Vipassana course, and this is the thing that alone can change your life completely, and this is the thing that you cannot miss. And believe me, just after attending one 10 days Vipassana course, you will thank me for the rest of your life. Because in my opinion, nothing in the world can match the experience of Vipassana. Just after doing one 10 days course, your relationship, your health, your career, your job, your business, your confidence, everything will improve drastically. So this is the first thing that you have to do every year. And out of all the 3 things, this is the most important one. You have to attend one 10 days Vipassana course every year if you want to change your life completely. Now the second thing that you should do once a year is to travel somewhere. Yes, traveling. You need to give yourself a rest of at least 1 week every year. Now many people think that traveling is very expensive, but it is not. Especially if you live in India, traveling is and will be very cheap for you. There are many places, many natural places and many beautiful places that you can visit in just 10 to 20,000 rupees. So traveling is very cheap if you live in India. So do it every year. Now one more advice from my side, that many people travel with their family and their life partner, but in my personal opinion, you should travel with your friends, those friends in front of whom you can totally express yourself. So this is the second thing that will change your life completely, is to travel somewhere every year with your friends. Now let's talk about the final thing. The third thing that you should do at least once a year is doing that thing that you are most scared of. If I talk about myself, then I'm afraid of heights. But recently I did bungee jumping in Rishikesh and it was a totally breathtaking experience for me. Similarly, you can do anything that you are most scared of. Maybe it is public speaking or it's skydiving or swimming or whatever it is. Just do it every year and you will grow at a rapid speed. So these were the 3 things that I do every year, and I would recommend all of you to do them as well. So this is all for this video. Now don't go before subscribing my channel, and if you want to support me, then my UPI ID, my Google Pay number and my Paytm number is in the description below. And if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any topic, then please tell me that in the comment section below. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.